A major expansion of agriculture will be a key part of our strategy to correct our lopsided economy. Agriculture doesn't just employ people. When farmers are empowered to be productive, they have a good quality of life. There is stability and harmony in rural communities, and they can feed the nation. Jamaica has the potential to reduce our reliance on food exports and to become a leading food and value-added producer in the region, and to be a major exporter to our diaspora and beyond into crossover markets beyond the region. Our agricultural policy will be robust. We will support farmers with better farm roads and irrigation networks. We will invest in storage facilities so that farmers don't suffer massive losses in times of glut. We'll revive and expand the PC banks to provide flexible credit lines for production. So many small farmers are bawling for credit and can't get it. And we will ensure that Jamaica's remaining arable lands are not misdirected into other uses, undermining the future of our people because they can't grow food where land is not available to grow it on. And we will encourage larger producers to partner with small farmers in production ecosystems, building relationships to transfer technology and improve the efficiency of our farmers. It has been successfully done in the poultry industry, and we think it should be done in every single aspect of agricultural life. And urban farming will be given greater attention and support. Urban farming provides employment, relieves poverty, and improves nutrition in inner city communities. And we believe that there's tremendous potential to expand there as well.